Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Honda Civic. First, prioritize safety by parking on a level, firm surface. Always engage your parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. Gather your essential tools, including a reliable hydraulic jack and 2 sturdy jack stands. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual to locate the precise jacking points for your specific model. To lift the front of your Civic, locate the central front jacking point, usually a reinforced area on the subframe behind the engine. Carefully position your hydraulic jack directly beneath this point. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, ensuring it lifts evenly. Once the car is at your desired working height, place 2 sturdy jack stands securely under the designated side frame rails, one on each side, for maximum stability. For the rear of your Honda Civic, locate the central rear jacking point, which is typically a reinforced area on the rear subframe. Carefully slide your hydraulic jack into position directly under this point. Begin to slowly and steadily lift the vehicle. Once the rear is at the appropriate working height, place 2 jack stands securely under the designated side frame rails, one on each side, to support the vehicle. Once your work is complete, ensure all tools are clear from underneath the vehicle. To lower your Civic, slightly raise the car with the hydraulic jack, just enough to remove the 2 jack stands. Carefully pull the jack stands out from under the side frame rails. Then, slowly and gradually lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Finally, remove the hydraulic jack and the wheel chocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.